Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Dave Mumba and I'm going to guide you through the steps you can follow to upload content on Xulendo. So let's get started. First, you need to make sure you're connected to the internet and uh, log in into Xulendo platform. So you need to type in xulendo.org and then you're going to land on this page. So on this page, you need to click on the login for administrators because this is the admin panel, the administrative panel where uh, we upload the content. We use it to upload the content to the platform. So go ahead and click on login for administrators and you're going to land on this page. Welcome to Xulendo, which is the administrative panel. So for you to get here, to get through this the login form, you need the login credentials. So if you're the expert, Xulendo expert, and you want to upload your own content, please you can contact us so that we can give you the credentials for you to log in, like the username and the password. So you go ahead and type your credentials. So teacher at xulendo.org. This is the account I'm using for this video. But then if you want to upload, you're going to be given your own account and the password. So for the password, I'm going to quickly enter that password and you need to click on login. So when you click on login, you're going to, depending on the credentials you have entered, if they are valid, you're going to land on this page. So the welcome to Xulendo now. This is the administrative dashboard. So if you look at the left side of the dashboard, you have the content manager and you have the library and then settings. So, and then on the white screen here, you have a lot of things here. So you don't have to worry about all these. We are only going to focus on the content manager and the media library. So again, sometimes you might not see what you're seeing on my screen. If that's the case and you can see the welcome to Xulendo customized page, you need to click on the reload this page depending on the browser you're using. So if you click on that, then it's going to reload and then you'll be able to see this page. So let's go on and see how this works. So the content manager uh, works the same way as the customized content. So if you click on this, the content, and for someone who clicks on content manager, you still go to the same page. So I'm going to just click on content manager and then I'm on this page. So if you want to add more content, if you want to upload your own content rather, you need to go ahead and click on create new entry. So you go ahead, click on there, and you need to provide the name or a name of what you're uploading. Say, I'm uploading a Xulendo admin video, or yeah, I'll say Xulendo admin video right here. And then for the description, you can choose to put a description or to attach a description to your content, or you can leave it out depending on what you're uploading. So I'll say this video this video is for Xulendo experts who want to upload their own material rather to the platform. Okay, platform. Yeah, then filters. So filters work in they work in a connection way, in a connection type of way. So you have a category, some kind of a hierarchy um, that controls all these other filters. So you have a category, like a super category, say a subject, that's a category, and then you have a core element, as a child filter or a super filter, then uh, a topic, you have a core element and then the topic as the child filter. Then you have that topic belonging to um, a form, like form 1, form 2, and form 3 or form 4. So for example, if you have biology, right, or agriculture, natural resources, and then under natural resources you might have other subtopics there, and then they all belong maybe to form 1 or form 2. So that's the hierarchy I'm talking about. So you're coming from a subject as agriculture, and then you're going to a core element like natural resources or agriculture and natural resources, and then you have um, a topic under that core element, like a specific topic. And then all those are belonging to a certain form or a particular form. So in this video, I'll just, give a demonstration. So you just need to specify one filter, which is a topic filter. So when you specify a topic filter, the system is going to know, okay, according to this topic, it belongs to, physics form 1, and the super category is this. So you just have to make sure you put or you specify the topic itself. So I'm going to say, okay, my topic is Xulendo Tutorials. So I'll say Xulendo Tutorials, and maybe if you're from Chaminade, you can say, okay, I'm from Chaminade. Yeah, I'm from Chaminade, and then maybe see, I'm from Chaminade, and then if you want now to add the media, right? How do you add pictures, files like PDFs or text? So you need to go ahead and click on Add a component to content. So when you click on that, it's going to open up a window or a menu rather that has several selections that you can make. So you have a file, you have text, you have a link, you have a quiz and a collection. So for this video, we're only going to focus on the file and the text. So if you want to upload a PDF, a picture, a video, and whatnot, you go ahead and click on File. When you click on File, now it gives you an option to to either insert the file that you would like to upload. So you can click on that, or you can just drag and drop, right? So I'm going to click on that, and then it's going to direct me to the media library in some way. So I did not click on the media library, but now it takes me to the media library. So a media library is where we all the resources that are on the platform are kept or are stored. So on the media library, you basically have a folder there just for um, organization. Like you need to make sure your material is well organized. So you have, let's say, teacher upload, or you can put your name there so that at least other people identify it. And then you click on that so that at least the content you're uploading are inside or is inside the folder. Now when you're on this window, you need to click on add more assets. So when you click on add more assets, then it's going to direct you to either drag and drop the files that you would like to upload, or you can just browse from your computer. So I'm going to click on browse, and then it's going to open up the location where I'm keeping the content that I would like to upload. Depending on what what folder you saved the content, you might want to navigate through and then choose the right folder. Now I'm going to upload a picture. Yeah, I'll upload a picture, and then when it's loaded like this, you need to click on upload one asset to library. So depending on the connection, it's going to take a while, and the size of the file, of course, it's going to take a while to upload. And then so just make sure, maybe for simplicity, you already upload the content to the media library. I'm going to show how. I'm going to show you how you do that, so that at least every time you don't have to load from your computer. So when the file is complete, now you need to go ahead and finish. So let's just wait for it to finish. So again, as I said, depending on the connection, it might take a while, like a couple minutes or so. Now, when it's done, um, you need to head to the finish button, which is going to be displayed up here. So now we have the finish button. Now you click on the finish. Now our file has been inserted. So if you want to attach a caption to your file, then you can go ahead and say, okay, this is a picture of, say, maybe let's just say natural resources, of natural resources, maybe in Malawi, right? And then you can also give it a description if you want. Now, what if you want to upload, you want to insert some text following the picture? Now you still go ahead and click on add more access to the content, and click. Now this time you're not clicking on the file, you're clicking on text. So on text, now here you can type. You can give it a title like, okay, the title is natural resources, right? Natural resources. And then you can say, okay, maybe define what natural resources are, or else for this video I would say, okay, I have typed something here, please add more. So just for as an example. Now you can format your text. You can put as more text as you want, and then when you're done, please remember to save. So you need to save, and then when it's saved, then you can also add a video if you want to, but then depending on the connection, as I said, it might take longer. So you can add a video there, or you can add another PDF, or else you can add a presentation and whatnot. So when you save, now depending on the access level of your account, you're going to publish it so that it's shown on the front end. Now, because this is a teacher account and it's a demo, I don't have the rights to publish, right? But then so what you need to do is, the publication is going to go through us. So you just have to to tell us, or to let us know that you have something that you would like to publish, and then we are going to check the validity of your material. So when we verify that, okay, your material is your material aligns with the curriculum and is proper, then we can publish it, so that other people can find it on the platform. So yeah, this is basically how you can add assets or files to the platform. So you can set filters here. As I said, when you set those filters, you just have to specify the topic. Now, how does the media library work? Let's take, you don't want to click on the add more assets and then go to the file and then do all that. You can actually just come here and click on media library, and then you go to your folder, right? Say you can also create a new folder here. Just click on add new folder. Now that I already have one folder created, I'm going to click on that. So this way, you see now the file that I just uploaded is already in the media library. So this is where like everything that is on the platform is kept. Now if I want to add something or to upload something to the media library, so that next time I don't have to take it from my computer, I have to click on add new assets. And then I'm going to browse from my computer. Um, then I'll I'll select what I want to upload, and then I'm going to upload it there in the media library. So again, I'll click on upload one asset to library. So depending on the connection, again, it's going to take, a bit of time. So yeah, once it's done, the process is the same. So you need to click on the open and all that. So just remember, if you want to upload your own content, please come back to us and ask for the credentials, and then we can give you the account and the password so that you're able to upload your own content. So yeah, now we have the PDF in the media library. Now, what do you do when you have this? So if you upload something like this in advance, now you can go to the content manager. See, so I just uploaded this and it's still in draft, remember? So I don't have the rights to publish because of my account level. So my account level does not allow me to publish. uh, it's going to be published by the administrators. So now this is you uploading content, right? Now you need to come back to us so that we can be able to publish that content. Now, at this point, I want to add that PDF that I just uploaded in the media library. How do I do it? I still follow the same procedure. I'll click on add a component to the content, and then choose file, and then I'll click here, and then it's going to take me to the media library, right? Now I'll open the folder. Now this time around, I'm not adding new assets, or I'm not adding more assets to the library. I'm only selecting it. So I'll just make sure the box is checked, and then I'll click finish. Then it's right here. I can add the caption if I want, or the description. And then I click save. So once it's saved, again, this whole process depends on the connection, your internet connection. So if you have a good internet connection, everything is going to be fast. So now it's saved. Thank you so much for watching, and you enjoy using Xulendo.